Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, somebody is suing me personally. What happens to the legal proceedings if I declare bankruptcy? The answer to this question is that the legal proceedings are stayed when someone goes into bankruptcy. That is effectively that the legal proceedings are stopped. The question that typically follows is what then happens to the claim the person has against me or the debt that I owe them? Typically, this is wiped out by the bankruptcy. A key part of determining if the debt is wiped out by the bankruptcy is when that debt was incurred. Debts incurred prior to a person's date of bankruptcy are wiped out by the bankruptcy. That is, as long as they're not part of the small exception categories that are not wiped out by bankruptcy. Typically things like child support, HECS and help loans, court fines, and a couple of other small categories similar to those. The majority of debts, including debts that people get sued for, are wiped out by a bankruptcy.